If you've ever lost a case to, I need to think about it, this video is for you. I'm Coachman and I want to tell you exactly what's gonna happen in Miami this April. Case Acceptance Mastery is 3 days designed to transform how you communicate with your patients and how you run your practice. You're not going to just sit and listen to lectures. You're going to work, you're going to practice, you're going to leave with a system you can actually use the Monday after you land. Let me tell you what we are covering. First, you're going to learn the complete system for attracting and converting patients. Brandon McDonald will break down what we call the 2 engines of practice growth. Engine 1 is about attraction, lead generation, qualification, building trust before patients even walk through your door. Engine 2 is about activation, activating your existing database, conversion, recovery, amplification. Most practices are sitting on thousands of patients who never said yes. Brandon will show you how to bring them back. Then Look in there below will walk you through the complete appointment system. The first appointment, how to run it so patients leave wanting more, not overwhelmed, leveraging technologies. The inter-appointment, what happens between visits that builds momentum. The second appointment, how to present the plan so it feels like a natural next step, not a sales pitch. You'll leave with a system you can implement immediately. Second, you're going to see how world-class clinics are built. I will spend significant time with you on ethical case acceptance and how to build a smile design clinic. We will go deep in how to present comprehensive treatments without feeling like a salesperson. But here's what makes this special. You're going to hear from doctors who have built extraordinary practices using completely different models. Miguel Stanley will show you how he built a revision dentistry clinic. Patients fly in from around the world to see him. He's going to break down exactly how he did it. Katie Toe will walk you through wellness dentistry, how she's positioned her practice around total health, not just teeth. David Alfie is one of the leading voices in airway dentistry. He will show you how to build an airway clinic and integrate it into your case presentations. The Anini brothers, Andrea and Alessandro, will show you how they built an interdisciplinary clinic that operates like a well-oiled machine. You will see multiple paths to success, and you will start designing your own. Third, and this is where it gets personal, you are going to master the human connection. Jose Bermejo will teach you patient character classification, how to read who's sitting in front of you, what motivates them, what scares them, what makes them say yes or no. Then he's going to do something uncomfortable. He's going to help you discover your own ego and how it's getting in the way of your case acceptance. This will change how you show up in every patient conversation. Maria Cardenas will share her story. She runs the world's first DSD clinic. She will tell you exactly how implementing this system transformed her practice and her life. Lindy Rigo will introduce you to the fascination advantage, understanding how patients perceive you and how to use that to become the best communicator you can become. Carla Soto will teach emotional connection, how to move patients from logic to feeling, which is where decisions actually happen. And then Looking and Lindy will run a live smile test drive workshop. Hands-on, you will practice the exact workflow we use to help patients visualize their transformation before they commit. This isn't theory, you're doing the work. I should also tell you, this isn't just about what happens in the sessions. There are dinners, networking events, time to connect. You'll be surrounded by dentists who think like you do, who are facing the same challenges, who want to build something bigger. The conversations you will have outside the room might be just as valuable as the sessions themselves. That's been true at every event we have ever run. Let me share what's possible when you implement this. Dr. Miguel Casañas went from closing one large case a month to 5 or 6. His practice transformed in 6 months. Dr. Diana Torres went from 40 patients a day to focusing on one comprehensive case a day. Same fulfillment, completely different life. These results aren't magic. They are what happens when you have a system. Case Acceptance Mastery, April 23rd to 25th in Miami. Seats are limited. Apply today. The application takes 5 minutes. I will see you there.